So my friends, how are you today? My name is Owen Fox, and today I thought I'd make a little video about impressing the opposite sex. Could be the same sex as well, if that's what you're into. But I just wanted to say that on these beautiful country roads here in Ireland, in the countryside, so good, that I'm in a relationship for 5 years now. Had my anniversary yesterday. When we magically and electrically and chemically became more than friends. Chemistry was there, you know. But I just wanted to say, you know, like I'm wearing a pink bobbin, you see, and I just thought it's like a fluffy pink bobbin. It's either for my partner or even like any of my kids. And I just thought, you know, I don't care about like going into a shop where I'm meeting my friend now shortly. I'm going to meet him in an hour or less, and I'm just thinking, like, I'm not out or trying to impress anybody, and I have dirty pants on from playing with my kids. And I'm just saying, there's a lot of power to not trying, you know, not in certain things. Like, try good things, but don't try and gain approval. Like, you don't need to pretend to be any different than you are. Now, of course, there's nothing wrong with enjoying anything in life, including dressing up, or there's nothing wrong with that. I'm not trying to say be sloppy or like unkept, so to speak. But I'm just saying, in terms, just be yourself and be comfortable is what I want to say with yourself, and then choose from comfortability. So if you want to like change your outfit or your clothes, or if you want to do something different or say something different or behave differently, do. But don't do it out of fear and contraction and needing to please somebody, desperate to fit in, desperate to be popular or to be liked or to be viewed as like sexy or hot or good looking or clever or intelligent. The power is within you, and you are the truth, and the truth that you are and that we all are is enough. Now, there's two different types of truth. There's the absolute truth that we are infinite beautiful souls and light. We are divine love, okay? We are God's source universe. That's absolute truth. And an absolute truth is like, it's always now. But on a practical human, having a human body experience, there's also the truth that this is how I am, with my ego, with my fear, with my neediness, with my unhealed trauma, with my insecurities, and all that sort of stuff. And we also got to honor and that's the truth. And is this my mom playing games with the electronics? She does that. Hi mom, love you. Wow. So we also want to honor our truth. So we don't want to force ourselves to be the way I'm suggesting. We don't want to try and force it, you know. Or at least we could do it or work through it. It's a process. Make it a process where we get to what I'm sharing as a more regular basis, and more easy and more automatic. And it's more easy, it's more natural, it's more organic. It's less forced, it's less resistance, and it's less difficult. And it's more enjoyable. It's more enjoyable to be us. We love being ourselves, including our human state, our whatever emotion is. So like one of my favourite lessons from a great teacher said, and his name is Adi Ashanti. Now he's not like my favourite teacher or nothing like that, but he says something really good and I like it. He says, accept, something along the lines of, allow what is to be, accept whatever is. And that's powerful. And from that place of acceptance comes more love and peace and compassion, and that applies to our feelings towards others and our thoughts towards others. And if we happen to have annoyance and frustration and anger towards others and not compassion, if we accept ourselves to be in this moment that way and allow ourselves to be there, because that's what we're experiencing in this moment, instead of trying to control our emotions, we accept our emotions. With stopping controlling, change happens, and through acceptance, change happens. So it's almost ironical. We desperately try and control our emotions because we don't like feeling uncomfortable emotionally, and it doesn't change, ironically. But if we become comfortable and allow ourselves to feel like shit or anger or whatever, it ironically changes. Even though we're not trying to change it anymore, it'll change. So we'll automatically start to feel better. giving up the fight or the war, the effort against what is, giving up the resistance. And I know it's easy for me to say in my car when I'm driving, and I know it's easy to say even if you're just sitting down. It's easy to think this when if you're meditating, nobody's distracting you and you have no responsibilities. But when life gets busy, and when the shit hits the fan, so to speak, if you're in a relationship and past trauma comes up, and that's the shit hitting the fan, yeah? And all of our ego comes up, that's what the shit hitting the fan is. It's interesting, because that's when it's difficult, and that's where spirituality, the rubber of spirituality hits the road, racing. So it's easier to be single, and it's harder to be in a relationship. It's easier to have no responsibilities, it's harder to have a lot of responsibilities. It's easier having less trauma, and it's a lot harder having a lot of trauma. So I know about this a lot. I've been healing strongly for 5 years, and before that I've been on the spiritual path for 12 years before that as well. So yeah, if anyone's interested in like relationship help, coaching, consultations, etc., I'd love to help. It's my biggest passion, and I really love to help if there's also children and a family involved. And I do have a book called Heal Yourself, Your Life, Your Family, Your Relationship, and Your ancestral line, because that's what it's about. That's what the reality is, what we're struggling against in life. It's serious stuff, but it's really nice to make progress. So I'm a daddy, a very happy, proud, joyful daddy, and I know about responsibilities and all of everything I'm talking about here for a long time of practicing it every single day. Love it. Oh, it's just like, that's crazy. Love you, Matt. She's saying I'm proud of me. Thanks, man. This never happens ever once before, just opening and closing the little screen. My mum passed on, transitioned into spirit, fully left her body last year. Yeah. So anyway, my folks, I just love my mum so much, and my children, my partner, and even my life. Well, life is hard sometimes, no doubt. Send you my love, wish you the best. I'm here for you if you need any help. Just send me a message and check out the links below. Check out my descriptions. If you need any help, coaching or help, or mental, emotional, relationship help, just let us know. I'm here for you, and so are others, and your spirit family are too. So keep doing your best. You're never alone. Keep enjoying, learning, and appreciating your life, and that's the secret. So don't forget that. I'll talk to you again. Thanks for all the support, like, shares, and comments. Everyone supporting my channel, my messages, my passion. And I'm going to go back to enjoying the country road and get ready to meet my friend and eat some salad. Bye, my friends. Blessings and love to you on the infinite, constant, always is, the forever infinite.